continue and let us see the further sentence, that is the positive to comparative. Okay, till what we are see, superlative convert in positive as well as comparative, right? Now we will see the positive sentence compared to the comparative. Okay, the first you have to identify the sentences. Now see, this is a sentence. Very few men in the village as tall as Nikhil. Now if you found in a sentence, very few is written over there. Very few. So what the changes you have to do? Let us see. Let us see here. If you found in a sentence very few, and this you have to convert in comparative. What we have to add? Most other. What we have to add? Most other. So students, this is a very simplest, very simplest. If you recognize this sentence formation, we already seen when I taught you the superlative degree. Okay. First, you have to identify the sentences. Okay, if you found in a sentence very few is there and that sentence you have to convert in the comparative, you have to add most other. What you have to add? Most other. Okay, now let us see how the sentences should begin. See, this is our sentence. This is the positive sentence. Very few men in the village as tall as Nikhil. Convert into comparative. So what you have to add here? Than most. Nikhil is taller than most men in the village. And the last wala is superlative. Okay. So in a superlative, you have to add one of the. Nikhil is one of the tallest men in the village. Okay. Students, the basic rules are same. The basic rules are same. See, if you in a sentence, if you find very few, you comparatively you have to add most other. And the superlative, what you have to add? One of them. Okay. Now come to the next. Next is what? Next is our comparative to positive. Next is our comparative to positive degree. Okay. First, what we will see over here, that positive to comparative degree. Positive to comparative degree. In a positive, you find a very few. Very few. So when you convert into the comparative, you have to add most. Other. Here should become other also. Most other men. Sorry. Most other men should become over here. Okay. Most other men. And when you convert into the superlative, Nikhil is the one of the. One of the should become over there. Tallest man in the village. So positive, comparative, superlative is over. And how to be transformed from positive to comparative and from positive to superlative. Okay, now here we come to the next, that is now comparative to superlative. That is the comparative to superlative. First you have to see the sentences. This is the comparative sentence. Kumar was younger. Kumar was younger than any other boy in the class. First, you have to identify this sentence comes under the comparative. Yes, this sentence comes under the comparative. How you can identify this? Because the younger adjective shows after than. Okay, than and younger, it shows that this is the comparative wala sentence. Okay, now you can find out any other is also there. Any other boy in the class. Now let us see the rules. What's the rules are there? Now, if you found any other in the comparative and you have to turn into positive, you have to add no other. Okay, same rules. Whatever rules we are seeing before, the same rules you have to follow. Okay, if you found in a sentence very few and you want to convert in comparative, just add most other. First thing. Second thing, if you found no other, so you have to convert into any other. Okay. And third thing, one more thing is there, that if you found no other, okay, so in a sentence of all is there, of all, so you can write there then all. In a sentence of all is there, so you can convert in a then all. Okay, so this three basic rules keep in your mind. Okay, so positive degree is over, comparative degree is over. Did you see the rules? You can found no other, then you have to be no other, then you have to add there then any other, then any other. Now this sentence, what's the sentence? Kumar was younger than any other boy in the class. Any other. So what we have to do to convert into the positive degree, what we have to add here? We have to add no other. Now let us see our sentence. This is first positive sentence. Sorry, this is first comparative sentence. Sorry. Comparative sentence. How you can identify younger than any other. Younger than any other boy in the class. This is a comparative sentence. Okay. Now, no other. Find out no other boy in the class as young as. Because this is a positive, so the adjective degree change. Younger become young. Now this is last one is a superlative. What is the superlative sentence? Kumar is the youngest boy in the class. What is youngest is shows that this is the superlative degree, youngest. And here you can see the superlative degree sentence formation the. So Kumar is the youngest boy in the class. Okay, here did you find one of the, here did you find of all the, no, only the youngest boy in the class. Okay, so these are the basic rules that you have to follow, keep in your mind, then only you can change from superlative to positive and comparative, from positive to comparative and superlative, from comparative to positive and superlative. Okay, so this all three are interchange. You can change the sentence when there are the basic rules. The first thing is that the what is the first thing? The first thing is that you have to be identified that this sentence will comes under the which degree. First you have to identify this. And how you supposed to identify? If you saw the adjective words, this is adjective words, if you saw, this is the easiest thing that you can found that this is comes under the which degree. Young comes under, suppose this is an example I'm taking. Young is comes under the positive. What will be the comparative of young? Younger. What will be the superlative of young? Youngest. Okay, so how the sequence is going on? Young, younger, youngest. Okay, if I'll take the another word, tall. Tall, taller, tallest. Now I'll take the another word, admire. Now, how I should be right? Admirer, admirist. No, this kind of word is not should be there in the dictionary. That's a wrong word. So, how I should be compare? I should write admire, more admire, most admire. More admire should come in comparative. Most admire should come superlative. So, there are some kinds of word where the er later it should not be add. Okay, for example, beautiful, famous, difficult, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, this how you can identify the degree with the help of the word. But the sentence, if you write in a correct order, you have to certain things keep in your mind. See students, while solving the degree of comparison, simultaneously you have to do this, because at the time so many work you have to do and so many rules you have to keep in your mind, but that is not a more difficult, it is very easier. But just you have to keep a basic rules in your mind, just in a max you are doing. When you're solving a max, you keep in the basic rules, the concept in your mind, and then you solve it out. The same things you have to do in this grammar, student. The rules and basic concept you have to keep in your mind, and then do the sentence formation, change the degree of comparison. Easily you can do it. Just keeping in your mind the basic rules. That's it. Okay. So in a comparative sentence, you mostly found then. You mostly found then. In a positive degree, you mostly found sentence I'm talking, huh? You mostly found as, adjective as. So adjective as. Okay, this is a sentence formation of positive degree. And in a superlative degree, I told you there are the three sentence formation of superlative degree. First, the, only the you found before the adjective. Adjective play a very vital role here, important role, adjective. That's the reason from starting I'll ask you about the adjective, the what is the adjective and the examples of the adjective, because adjective play a very important role over here, student. So in a superlative, adjective before you found the. This is the first sentence formation. In a second sentence formation, you found what? You found one of the. You found one of the second sentence formation. And in the third sentence formation, you found of all. What? Of all. So superlative, you can say there is a three sentence formation that keep in your mind. That's the reason. First, I'll explain you about the superlative sentence and how should change the sentence formation in positive and comparative. Okay, because once you understood the superlative concept, how to transfer in positive and comparative, so it is more easier when you change the positive into comparative and comparative into positive. It is become very easier step, because the same rules you can find out, same rules you can found when you change from superlative to positive and comparative. The same rules you can found here also, student, when you change from positive to comparative and from comparative to positive. Same rules, basic rules are there. Just one thing that you have to keep in your mind, and you have to do simultaneously, you have to do at the same time, you have to do lots of work together. So you have to more attentively to solve a degree of comparison. Okay, so this is our lesson, change the degree. I hope you all should understand the concept of this topic. Thank you, everyone.